Let's do a drag race up here. Let's start from a roll. Let's go to this mailbox. Start at the mailbox. What do you think?
I think that went good. I had you in the first half.
Yeah, they had me in the first half, not gonna lie. Yeah, not the second half. I think if I get a new belt, I might have you in all the halves.
Yeah.
That thing does pretty good, but what is it, the gearing that's...
Yeah, it's that 6 to 1, it's a
7 to 1. Yeah.
It's torquey, but it's not good for top down.
Yeah, but yeah. That was good, yeah. Yeah, no, I think the belt's like basically like an automatic transmission. Like it takes, yeah, and then
once it gets up there, and I can't compete with that. So if anybody wants to know what the difference between the clutch and the CVT is, there you go. There's a live example right there.
Yeah. Also, the CVTs, the belts, they wear out.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, a clutch, you know, that really doesn't wear out. Not really. Like, well, the clutch wears out a little bit, but over time, less.
Yeah, you got all the gear ratio.
Yeah.
The low end and the high end.
Yeah, but I think from riding in the woods, it had you know, slipped the belt too much.
Yeah, I slipped the clutch a bunch on it got real hot.
But
now it's back to normal again.
Yeah, the belt takes a bit longer to cool down. I think we got him. I could take him to Gappleby's.
That's a pretty small one too. Yeah, you got it. There's 2 of them in there, so I think
double the weight. Yeah.
we could definitely get him.
Yeah. Yeah, no, mine, I think it's just slipping the belt. This belt is the one that came with it.
Yeah.
I put another one on, a cheap one from Amazon, and it didn't last. Well, it lasted pretty good. It was consistent. It didn't.
Well, how much do belts cost here?
You can get like a 3-pack for $40.
Yeah, and as long as you don't wear out super quick, that's not bad.
Yeah. Like a couple a year. That'd probably last you a year.
Yeah.
But you get more time out of it, or more speed.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's worth it.
All right, so tell us what you did to your bike, because we shot a video of it earlier when we put the carburetor on it. Well, we tried to.
Yeah, well, obviously it's a 212 slot Monster Moto 80, and what I've done since is take the governor out, and I put the Mikuni VM22 carburetor on here, and that'll give me some more power and a lot higher RPMs than stock. And I also added an exhaust here. I got this off OMB Warehouse, and I welded on a chrome exhaust tip that is actually from a Chevy Malibu. And yeah, I've also added this little tire on the back. My old one wore out.
Too many burnouts.
Yeah, that's too many burnouts.
Too much horsepower.
Yeah, it's got that little lawn tractor tire on the back, same as
Yeah, I should get a new one too.
Yeah, oh, I put a new full cord on it too, a Honda knockoff one.
Yep.
But,
Yeah, didn't you say the plastic one broke?
yeah, the plastic, it had a cheap plastic one on it.
Yep.
I didn't really like it, but I got this steel one for $10 or something. So.
Welcome to this segment of riding Zach's mini bike. That exhaust is really throaty. Oh. This thing hauls. Vibrates the seat when you do that, when you give her the beans that much. My bike's got way more top speed, but I think I get a new belt for it, and it'll be... Oh yeah. This thing rips pretty good. How's that?
A little something to get used to.
Yeah, what's new?
It's just because mine's so touchy, right?
Yeah.
But it's a little funny with the CVT, right? I don't know if it's slipping or...
I think it is slipping.
When you put it down, it just wants to slip.
Yeah.
But it does engine brake, like you said.
Yeah.
That took some getting used to too. I'm like, oh wow.
Yeah.
Pretty good. But yeah, overall it's pretty big. It's a big bike compared to mine though.
Yeah, the wheelbase.
Yeah, and you sit a lot higher too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, yours is really torquey.
Yeah, it is.
That's I wish I could get the same torque out of a clutch that you can with the torque converter, even though the name. But that's more. It's really more range that you get out of it.
Just because the belt will split.
Yeah. Yeah, I was watching. People were saying like, oh, those Chinese ones, the CVTs, they're not as like the metal that they're made of. For some reason, it slips. I don't know. I might try to see if I can get an actual Comet belt.
Yeah.
See if I can get, because then probably made better than Chinese belts.
Yeah, that's for sure.
But I can't find anywhere that sells one. I guess one.
Call me US, right?
Yeah, I mean Amazon, but I don't know. They have Chinese ones. Anyway, well, I think that about wraps up our adventures.
I think it does.
Once again, thank you, Zach, for joining along, and
Anytime.
yeah, we'll have to do it again maybe when Mike can get out.
Yeah, we got to do a three-person race.
Yeah, three wide. Anyway, that's the end of this video. We have a scenic view over the swamp over there, and a car coming down the road. Anyways, yeah, 1,000 subscribers. You've contributed to a little bit of that, you know.
Yeah, it's been...
That bike's pretty popular.
Yeah, I remember when it was 100 back a few years ago.
Yeah, when I got to 100 subscribers, I thought that was big.
Yeah.
I got a URL at that. I could make my own custom URL.
Oh, that's sweet. Now you got 1,000.
Now I got 1,000, and maybe they can. Maybe that'll pay for the belts for this.
Maybe one day you'll be buying 1 million belts.
There I go with YouTube money. Wouldn't that be nice? Just being able to afford belts.
Yeah. Merry Christmas. 100 belts.
Yeah. Sweet. Alright, well, yeah, that's the end of the video. You have anything to say?
Build yourself a mini bike. That's what I have to say.
Yep.
You won't regret it.
Nope. Yeah, that's good. Anyways. Till next time, what's the next goal? 100,000?
100,000.
Alright, let's do that by mid-October, yeah?
Okay.
No.
I mean, if you want to buy them, we can...
I mean, it's growing, the curve is growing exponentially now, if you know.
It's growing, keep it growing.
Yep, why not? Anyway, that's the end of this video. Until next time, have a good day, bye.